Ooh, and there is bubble wrap. Oh boy. Okay. This will keep me warm in the winter. Hi, I'm Kaylee, and today I have an unboxing for you. I have one that is from Book Trib, and then this one that is from Penguin Random House. This is massive. Like, why is this so big? It's just one book in there. Come on. And then I have this big old monster from Penguin Random House. I have been very good and patient to not open these until I open them on camera. So I'm quite proud of myself. We have our scissors and we're ready to go. This is so exciting. Let's see what we have. Lots of paper. Where, oh where is Barnaby Bear? Aw, that looks so cute. This one is from Book Trib. They always send me the cutest stuff. And Banana Fun Bread, also from Book Trib. A teeny tiny history of philosophy. Now that looks interesting. Ooh, The Tale of Ferdinand Frog. That looks like a lot of fun. That looks very Jeremy Fisher kind of inspired. Okay, and the last one in here is The Colorless Chameleon. Oh, this looks like such a cute one. I think this one looks really funny. All right. And that is everything from Book Trib. Thank you, Book Trib, for sending me some books. Okay, then we have this massive thing. I hate trying to like get these open because they're like glued and stuff like that. Oh, this is La Selva de Zonia. I love getting picture books in Spanish because then I get to share them with my nieces and try to teach them Spanish. And this looks so beautiful. I mean, that artwork is really gorgeous. And it's the jungle of Xenia, or Zonia, or I don't know how to say it. This one looks like a lot of fun. This looks very cool. All right, then we have this massive one. Ooh, and there is bubble wrap. Oh boy, there is like miles and miles of massive bubble wrap. Oh boy, okay. This will keep me warm in the winter. It's just so much. Okay, we're just gonna throw that off camera to the side. Ooh, more books in Spanish. We have Papi and Mommy. These are adorable. Oh, these are such cute little board books. Oh, this looks like so much fun. This looks really fun. And we have Ventanas, which is windows. Man, I love getting the stuff in the Spanish. This is so great. Ooh, this looks interesting. Okay, ooh, Bruno the Beekeeper, a honey primer. I wonder if this really like actually teaches you. Oh wow, it looks like it really does teach you. It teaches you about the drones and the queen bee and bee parasites and predators. Ooh, you get all the information. Very cool. I've run out of places back here to put stuff. Oh well. All right, and our last one is Z Grows a Tree. I think I remember this. That's watch Z and her Douglas fir tree grow up together and learn all about the wonders of evergreens. So she has a little Christmas tree of her own that is growing up at the same time that she is. These all look so amazing and cute. So thank you to the publishers for sending me so many cool books. I can't wait to read and review all of these. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and remember the right book in the right hands at the right time can change the world.